Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to do a very interesting video. Today I'm going to show you a full face using some amazing affordable products. Like if you have these products, you just don't have to spend your money on luxury items or high-end products. You just need these few products in your life. These are better than high-end products and these are going to save so much money. Now I just want to give you a little bit disclaimer. Affordable depends on person to person. It depends on your financial status. It depends on how much you want to spend on makeup. If you are a makeup lover or if you just want few products in your vanity, you just don't want to spend too many. I just want to tell you this, that in this video I'm not showing you cheaper products. Like I am not targeting towards cheap price products. I'm targeting towards the quality as well. Genuinely think that you can get 200 rupees, 300 rupees foundation concealers in the market, and there are tons of videos reviewing those products as well. But in today's video, I just have few products which I think are pretty much reasonable in price. It's not way too affordable. I just want to mention this first. These products are so much better than high-end products. Like they are, I will call this a dupe of high-end products, formulas, and it will work like magic on your skin. So let's get started with this. So as you can see, I don't have any eyebrow products, so I'm going to start with my eyebrows. I will use my favorite eyebrow combo. This is the eyebrow pencil from e.l.f., which I really love, and this is the Essence Make Me Brow Mascara. Now if you have thicker eyebrows, go only for this one. This contains like tiny fibers in it, so you can just brush your eyebrows and you are good to go. But if you want to fill in your eyebrow, this e.l.f. product is great for that. But if you want to draw your eyebrow, like if you have thin eyebrows and if you are a person who love drawing your eyebrows, then these products will not work. You need a very precise type of a pencil. Something like the Swiss Beauty one or the Mars one, something, or Makeup Revolution. The tip of the brush is very precise and not very thick like this one, so it's very good for filling your eyebrows but not drawing your eyebrows. So this is what the e.l.f. eyebrow pencil looks like. You get a brush with it, which is a must-have for me. I need a brush like this. Okay, now for my primer, I am going to use this one from Mars. This is the Mars Glow O'Clock primer, and I think this is a great dupe of the e.l.f. primer, the e.l.f. Power Grip primer. It's like not that much gripping. I just love using this, and I'm using this Mars primer for years and years now, and I just love this product. I recommended this product so much. I am personally not a primer person. I love using my moisturizer, but if I'm doing like a flawless, long-lasting makeup look, I'm definitely gonna go with this one. Now for my foundation, I am in love with this product and I just can't get enough. This is from Rimmel London and this is the Kind and Free Moisturizing Skin Tint. And I have this in the shade 201 Classic Beige. This product is so good. It makes your skin beautiful and it gives you this flawless natural finish, which I really love, and it's super easy to use as well. Perfect for your everyday makeup. If you just want something on your face, this product is going to be your best friend. It's absolutely perfect. It gives you a glowy base and also looks natural at the same time. Like butter on my skin, and because of the primer it's looking more glowy, but this is like not this much glowy. Definitely you have to set it with some powder, and this is a skin tint, so this is not going to be as long lasting as a foundation, but look at the coverage. Skin tints will not give you that much coverage usually, but this is my favorite because of the coverage. It gives a beautiful finish and it's buildable at the same time. Like, you can use one more layer on top of this, which I'm not gonna do because this is perfect for me, and this is perfect for my everyday makeup as well. If you have ever used the Rare Beauty skin tint, you guys know what I'm talking about. It literally looks and feels, the formula is absolutely similar to the Rare Beauty skin tint. It's like so affordable at the same time. So if you are looking for a skin tint, I will definitely recommend this Rimmel London one. I'm not saying the Rare Beauty one is not good, it's my favorite, it's so good, but if you can get that type of formula in this price, then I think why not. You guys know my love for Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. This is my favorite concealer. It gives me high-end vibes. Like, the formula is so good, especially it feels so amazing. I do my entire full face of makeup with these concealers. These are iconic. I really love them, and I have so many of them because I just can't get enough. These are amazing, and I just never want them to discontinue this product. These concealers are like not very full coverage, but you can definitely make it full coverage. Gives you like a natural finish, a soft satin type of a finish, which is my favorite part. I will recommend you guys to watch my top 5 concealer video where I mentioned my favorite top 5 concealer. I'm gonna link it for you. I talked about the formula, I talked about the application part, like I talked about what is a preferable way to blend that concealer. So you will get everything in that video. This is what the Maybelline concealer looks like. So perfect, gives this beautiful finish to my skin, and I just love it so much. Okay, now I am going to talk about a powder which I think is so beautiful and beats up any high-end powder. This is like a compact powder. I'm very specific about my powders. That is the most important part in your makeup routine. Like, no matter what foundation you're using, what concealer you're using, setting spray, anything you want, but if your powder is not good, it's gonna crack up your makeup and it's gonna make your makeup look very cakey, very heavy. So a good powder can make your makeup look very flawless. It can make your makeup look like airbrushed, smooth. So I just love using this Milani Make It Last setting powder. Blurring finish, long-lasting finish, and makes it look so smooth. My skin absolutely love this powder so much. I also love the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop powder, but this one is my absolute favorite. It's so lightweight and you can use as much as you can. This powder is never going to look cakey on you. It's a translucent shade, so this is not going to change the way your foundation looks. It's not going to change the shade of your foundation. It's just going to make it look airbrushed and super smooth. Okay, now for my contour, I have this contour glow wand. This is from e.l.f. You guys already know about this product. This is what it looks like. It's the dupe of the Charlotte Tilbury wand, and this is actually available in India currently. I love how beautiful this product is. Just one thing you have to keep in mind is to work really fast with this product. I just love blending out this product. Like, look how smooth this looks. So much more cheaper than the Charlotte Tilbury one, but the quality is absolutely insane. I love using this as my nose contour at the same time. Works like magic and blends like butter. This is what the contour wand looks like. No patchiness, gives a flawless satin finish, and the exact dupe of the Charlotte Tilbury wand. The contour wand and the highlighter wand, and e.l.f. also came up with the blush wand, bronzer wand and highlighter wand. By the way, I'm going to use the highlighter wand next after using my blush. Now for blush, there are so many options if you talk about affordable blush. If you are trying to wear like a powder brush, then go for the Wet n Wild one. This is the best like blush, and it beats the MAC blush. Like, it's so much similar to the MAC blush. The MAC blush is of course very expensive, but this little blush is a dupe of the MAC blush. Favorite shade in this Wet n Wild blush is Mellow Wine. Absolutely beautiful. But in today's video, I'm gonna try out this two combo right over here. Now, this is the Mars liquid blush that I was talking about, and this is in the shade Horizon. I love this particular product. This is what the packaging looks like. And on top of that, I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild blush. Horizon blush looks something like this. It contains a beautiful pink color, which I think will suit every single skin tone. Take the product all over the bristle. These are very pigmented, so do not take these directly on your face. This first on your hands and then gently blend this out. This is what Mars Horizon looks like on my skin. As you can see, it's a muted mauve pink shade, which is so perfect for Indian skin, and it gives you this beautiful glowy finish. Airbrushed finish, looks flawless, does not disturb the foundation that you have. To set this blush, I am going to use this Wet n Wild blush just a little bit, and on top of this, and I'm going to use it on top of this just to make it a little bit more long lasting. Okay, now we are going to do our eye makeup look. I have so many like high-end eyeshadow palettes, but this palette from Essence literally blows my mind. This is the Essence Blooming Wings palette. This is what the shade range looks like, and you get your everyday color, you get your shimmer shades, you get your mauve shades, every single color that a person needs, it's right there. It's so good. The powder finish of this product is amazing, and you just don't have to work that much with this. It's beginner friendly, does not look chalky, does not look powdery, gives a flawless finish in one application. It's pigmented at the same time, and the glitters are so pigmented, like extremely pigmented. This is a brand I adore. Like, I love them so much because of making some really good quality affordable makeup products. Now this is my finished eye makeup look. I just used the matte shades. In this palette. Very easy to apply, very easy to blend, and you just do not have to dip your brush again and again to get the product. And also the shimmer, like a golden shimmer shade only on my inner corners, and it's super pigmented, does not give you fallouts. The perfect affordable palette that I think I own, and I'm very happy that they came up with this one. I will say not every single palette from Essence is a good quality palette. I have other palettes as well, but this one is amazing. I am just going to use a little bit of eyeshadow. Now I'm just going to use a little bit of mascara. This is the Maybelline Sky High mascara. This is what it looks like. You guys know, a viral product. Everyone loves this mascara. Years now, every single person is using the Maybelline Colossal mascara. Not only the Colossal one, there are other mascaras from Maybelline as well, and now they came up with the Sky High one, which is super gorgeous. And if you have like very long eyelash, then you will love this product. This is what my eye makeup looks like. Isn't it so simple yet so beautiful, super classy, easy to do at the same time, and so elegant. Goes with any outfit that you wear, like anything, literally traditional outfit, western outfit, anything, you can just create this eye makeup look. It's so good. I will use this lip liner from Nykaa. I have very affordable, like good quality lip liners from Mars, from Swiss Beauty, from Nykaa. First, I am just going to line my lips with this Maybelline Superstay Liquid Matte Ink Lipsticks. These are long lasting. This is not going to move and go anywhere. I love these products, and especially this shade Amazonian. This is in the shade 70. Today's eye makeup look, it goes literally so well. I have a little bit of makeup remover on my t-shirt and ignore that, and I'm really sorry for that. Anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Comment down below your favorite affordable products or any dupes that you think that I should get and I should try it out for you all. Let me know in the comments down below. I love your suggestions. I love your recommendations. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.